will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on recorded, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, come here to force in communication mode, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.